M. M. Would you like some more? Here, I'll help you. I'll help you for now. Okay, pretty soon you can do it yourself. Quinn's gonna need a new chair. Mace is gonna need his neck wiped off. From now on, we have to have yogurt naked.
Ew. Actually, that sounds like fun.
Here, Mace, would you like some more? Here. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Okay, that's a fourth.
How many spoons is that? 4 for Mason?
Good boy. Good boy. Okay, there you go.
That's hilarious.
I don't understand why
He has to take the yogurt off the spoon first and then put it in his mouth. Is that funny, Quinlish? Is that funny? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a little more.
Gosh, alright, and then over the shoulder. Over the shoulder.
No, he's just gonna put it
Oh, good job.
Good boy, Quinn.
Look at that face. Good boy, Mace.
Mace, would you like a little more? Here. Good boy. Good boy.
Wow.
Do you want the last bit? You're almost finished. Oh, okay.
Mm.
No, that's Macy's. This is yours. Here. Oh, you've had a Cheerio.
Bonus.
A yogurt covered Cheerio.
Quinlish. Quinn. Yeah, is that yummy? Alright.
Mace, would you like some more yogurt? Come here.
Yummy.
Some of these.
Nice. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Good
Quinny.
job, Quinny.
Mace,
Good
say
job.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mace. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mace. Say bye-bye. 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 Good boy. Bye-bye. No bye-bye today? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera.
Good job, Quinny. Next time.
Mace, say bye-bye. Mace, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. No? Not today? Okay. I'm not a show. Is that what you're saying?